Ready to boost your content creation game with amazing screen recordings on your Windows 11 machine. First up, let's explore the built-in tools. Hit the Windows key and search for Xbox Game Bar. Even if you're not a gamer, this nifty tool has screen recording capabilities. Then, open the game bar. If the game bar doesn't automatically appear, press the Windows key plus G within the game bar. You'll find the capture widget. It looks like a little camera and microphone icon section. Click the circular record button to start recording, or use the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus Alt plus R. You'll also easily see the microphone toggle to add audio with your recording to capture a specific window. Simply make sure that window is active before starting your screen recording. If you want your screen to be in landscape mode, you can set capture settings accordingly. Customize your recording settings by opening the Settings app and heading to Gaming and then Captures. Here, you can adjust the recording quality, frame rate, and where your recordings are saved. Now for the recording itself, click the record button. You will see a floating bar appear that shows you how long the recording is, and there will be options like a mic control. Now, perform the action you want to record. Once you're done, click the stop button on the floating bar, or use the Windows key plus Alt plus R shortcut. Again, your recording will be saved automatically in the Videos folder, typically in a subfolder called Captures. Now, if you're looking for some more advanced features, such as being capable of recording multiple programs, full screen selections, and more editing of the screen record, exploring third-party software such as OBS Studio, Bandicam, or Filmora is very helpful. They provide more customization options and editing features. They are great options for content creators. With these tools and steps, you're well on your way to creating awesome screen recordings for tutorials, gaming videos, or anything else your creative heart desires. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also to check out some similar content, #Windows 11 #screen recording.